Hello children, welcome back. In our previous lecture, we had an introduction of profit and loss. Today we are going to solve sums based on those formulae. Let us start. Now here they have asked us to complete the table. Okay. Here cost price and selling price is given. So this is the first basics. You have to find out whether this given situation is a profit or loss. Based on that, you will be working out the profit percentage or loss percentage. So children, whenever you are seeing a cost price and a selling price, first thing you should observe is which is greater. That will tell you whether it is profit or loss. Now in this, if you can see, selling price is greater than cost price. So if selling price is greater than cost price, then it is a case of profit. So we will use the formula selling price minus cost price is equal to profit. So selling price 630 minus 560 is equal to, let us subtract and see, 630 minus 560, 0, 70, right? So our profit is 70 rupees. So here you can fill profit 70 rupees. Now, if you have got a profit, you have to find profit percentage. And what is the formula for profit percentage? Profit percentage or loss percentage is always calculated on cost price, right? So, profit percentage is equal to profit, that is 70, by cost price. What is cost price, children? It is 560 into 100, right? So 700 gets cancelled. 7 ones are 7 eights are. So your answer is 100 by 8. When you divide, you will get 12.5%. So you can say profit percentage is equal to 12.5. Let us go to the next sum. So first thing what you will see, children, which is greater. Now here cost price is greater then selling price. So it is a case of loss. So we will be using the formula of loss. What is loss? Cost price minus selling price. So cost price is 840. 840 minus 798, which will give you loss as 42 rupees. So your loss is 42 rupees. If it is a loss, then you have to calculate loss percentage. Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. 42, which is your loss, by CP. CP is 840 into 100. So this numerator 10, denominator 10 gets cancelled. 2 21s are, 2 42s are, 21 ones are, 21 twos are is 42. So 10 by 2, which is nothing but 5%. So your loss percentage is 5 and your loss is 42 rupees. Okay, let us go to the next sum. Here they have told that a person is buying a car for 3,50,000 and selling it for 3,95,500. So here you can see that selling price is greater, children. If selling price is greater than cost price, then it is profit. And what is profit? Selling price minus cost price. You can write like this also. Selling price minus cost price. So your answer is 45,500 and it is a profit. So profit percentage is what? Profit by CP into 100. Just replace the amount. P is 45,500. Cost price is 3,50,000 into 100. So now let us do the cancellation. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So if you divide 455 by 35, let us see, 35 ones are 35, 0, bringing 5 down, 35 threes are is 105. So it is 13%. So our profit is 45,500 rupees and our profit percentage, if it is profit, it will be profit percentage is 13%. So I think children, now it is very clear to you after doing these sums that how will you calculate whether it is a profit or a loss. First you should see if cost price and selling price both are given, which is bigger. If selling price is big, it is profit. If cost price is big, it is loss. Now here a person has bought a house, bought means CP 25 lakh and sold it for 27 lakh. So here what can you say children? Yes, it is selling price is greater than cost price. So what will be the profit? Selling price minus cost price, 27 lakh minus 25 lakh is 2 lakh. And what will be profit percentage? Profit percentage will be profit which is 2 lakh by CP which is 25 lakh into 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros. So 5 5s are, 5 40s are, 5 8s are. So your profit percent is 8. So 8%. Here, now here cost price is bigger than selling price. So it is a case of loss, and whatever profit or loss, how do you find out? Minus. Which is bigger? CP is bigger. CP minus SP is loss. So 200 minus 180 is 20. So you have got loss. So what will be the loss percentage? Loss by CP into 100, that is 20 by 200 into 100. So these two zeros gone, these two zeros gone, 2 ones are, 2 tens are. So your loss percentage is 10. So hope you understood children how to find out profit or loss, and next step how to find out profit or loss percentage. In our next lecture we will see that sometimes this will be given and these will be missing. So how to work your sum backwards. Okay. Bye for now. If you like the video, press the like button and share it with your friends. Bye bye.